Did you know? In Rick and Morty, Rick's portal gun seems like magic, but it's actually based on real science, like the multiverse and string theory. In the episode A Wrinkle in Time, time splits into many versions. The animation was so hard the team almost gave up. Rick acts wild and funny, but deep down, he's hurting. In Season 2's finale, he even tries to end his own life. The show started as a dirty joke. It was a weird Back to the Future parody called Doc and Mahardy. It was so crazy, Adult Swim almost rejected it. And those gross burps Rick does? They're real. The voice actor drank beer while recording, and even made himself sick.